My name is Gaurav Rai. I am a student, Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, College of Agriculture, Rewa MP. My presentation topic difference method of plant breeding under the guidance R.P. Joshi sir. Method of plant breeding: pure line selection, mass selection, clonal selection, pedigree method, bulk method, back cross method, recurrent selection, Machuan breeding, hybridization, test cross method. Pure line selection. The concept of pure line selection is given by W. L. Johnson. Pure line selection is the most commonly used method improvement of self-pollinated crops. Almost all the present varieties of self-pollinated crops are pure lines. Refers to the homogeneous progeny of a self-pollinated homogeneous plant's development of new variety through identification and isolation of single-based plant progeny is known as pure line selection of individual plant selection. This method is commonly used in self-pollinated species. Example: wheat, barley. All the plants within a pure line have the same genotypes. Mass selection. It is a method of crop improvement in which individual plants are selected on the basis of phenotypes from mixed population. Their seeds are bulked and used to grow the next generation. This is one of the oldest methods of crop improvement. Mass selection is applicable to both self and crop pollinated species, but mostly for crops pollinated crops. Example: maize, pearls, millets, mustard, and often crop pollinated crops like cotton and sorghum etc. Mass selection have two major applications. First, improvement of desi or local varieties. Second, purification of existing pure line varieties. Clonal selection. This is method of asexual reproduction. Progeny of a single plant obtained by asexual reproduction is known as clone. Crops which are propagated asexually of or by vegetative means are known as asexually propagated or vegetative propagated or clonal crops. Pedigree method. Pedigree refers to record of the ancestry of an individual selected plant. Pedigree breeding is a method of genetic improvement of self-pollinated species in which superior genotypes are selected from segregating generation and proper records of the ancestry of selected plant are maintained in each generation. Applications: it is widely used for the improvement of self-pollinated species for development of new varieties, while in cross-pollinated species it is used for in development of inbred lines. Bulk method. This method was first used by Nielsen Ilse in 1908. This method is also known as mass method or population method. It refers to selection procedure in which the segregating population of self-pollinated species in grow in bulk plot. This method is used for the genetic improvement of self-pollinated crops. Purpose of bulk method: first, isolation of homogeneous line with a minimum effort and expense. Second, opportunity for natural selection. Some bulk population may be carried up to 20 to 30 generations to provide opportunity for natural selection to etc. So it was called evolutionary method of breeding by sunation. Backcross method. Backcross method is a cross between a hybrid and one of its parent. In this method, the hybrid and the progenies in the subsequent generation are repeatedly back-crossed to one of the parent. At the end of 6 to 8 back-cross, the progeny would be almost identical with the parents used in back-cross. Backcross method is applicable in all three groups of crop plant with self-pollinated crops, pollinated and asexually propagated. Objective of backcross: first, to improve one or two specific defects of a high-yielding variety. Second, to development of disease resistance varieties is both self and cross-pollinated species of wheat and cotton. Recurrent selection: a reselection generation after generation with inbreeding of selects to provide for genetic recombination. It is also very useful method of breeding. It was originally developed as a method of breeding cross-pollinated species, but now it is also used for self-pollinated species. Mutation breeding: plant mutation breeding, also called variation breeding, it is a method that uses physical radiation or chemical means in induce spontaneous generation variation in plant to develop new crop varieties. Mutation: sudden heritable change in the character of organism or called mutations. The individual showing this heritable change are known as mutation.